Hey guys, today I'm sharing my review on the hair transplant journey I've been through around 2 years back. My name is Romil Gupta. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I'm into IT profession, and for me, because I go for meetings and my hairline was very thin, so I wanted something look so I can look good, and that will regain my confidence. So that's why I have few options. I have did a bit of research, and I've got few options for the technology, because it's an advancement in the technology now. There is no risk associated with the hair transplant. There was a saying initially, hair risk, it's a risk to get a hair transplant, but I've been through this journey. It's very very calm, very I've been to Divine. When I visited and I met Dr. Amit, he gave me confidence that there are various technologies, but on your skin, on your scalp, the technology which works is FUE plus FUT. So they will take the hairs, the follicles, and they'll transplant around 11,000 follicles on my head. So it was a smooth journey, overall good experience. Dr. Amit was very nice. His whole team was very good. I've been through this like 2 years before, and my growth is pretty good, and I feel confident when I go to the meetings, and I look good. That's what I wanted to say, and it's thanks Dr. Amit and team for overall having a good experience.